It starts like this.
Then everything changes. This is the result.
This waste glass becomes brand new bottles. It starts as mixed waste. Everything moves continuously. Vibration spreads the material. Metal is removed. Only glass moves forward. Size matters. Glass is broken down further.
This is recycled glass cullet.
The glass is washed clean. Now it's ready for melting. The transformation begins here. Washing removes remaining dust. Clean glass melts better. Excess water is removed. Only clean glass remains. Color consistency matters. The feed must stay steady. The line never stops. Vibration controls flow. Vibration controls flow. The furnace is ready. Extreme heat begins the change. Timing is critical. Glass enters the furnace. Heat builds rapidly. Heat builds rapidly.
The glass starts to glow.
Consistency matters. Everything is now inside. Melting begins. The glass begins to soften. Extreme heat changes the structure. Pieces start to fuse.
Separate fragments become one. The surface starts to flow. Heat penetrates deeply. The melt becomes uniform. Glass turns into liquid. Movement stays controlled. Temperature is stabilized. Impurities burn away. The glass is now pure. The melt is guided forward. Flow is carefully shaped. A continuous stream forms. Heat remains intense. The liquid is thick and heavy. Flow is precisely controlled. The melt remains uninterrupted. The glass is ready. Molten glass is portioned. Each portion is precise. Timing is critical. The shape starts to appear. Air shapes the glass. The neck is formed first.
The body takes shape.
The body takes shape. The base is set.
The bottle is complete.
The mold opens. The bottle moves forward. Cooling begins immediately. Cooling begins immediately. The shape stabilizes. The process repeats. The process superdelusional. Each bottle follows the same cycle: heat, shape, and control. Recycled glass becomes new again. Controlled cooling begins. Heat is balanced.
Stress is reduced gradually.
Shape stays perfect. Rhythm is constant.
Cooling completes.
Bottles are stabilized. Inspection begins. The neck is precise.
The base is stable.
Light scans reveal smooth surfaces. No bubbles visible. The surface is clean.
Only perfect bottles continue.
Quality is assured.
The line stays smooth.
Clarity matters. Clarity matters. Bottles move forward. Production continues.
Everything is controlled.
Everything is controlled.
Ready for the next step.
Final checks complete.
Recycled glass becomes new again. Precision at every step.
From waste to new.
This is glass recycling.